guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying absolutely safe at home. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a huge Clovia haul. Now this video is going to contain a lot of normal wear bra, sports bra and some active wear. So in case you're interested in such kind of content, I'll make sure to link the playlist in the description box below or either in the iCard, because I've made so many Clovia hauls in the past. You guys are going to binge watch all those playlists. But before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag #YouTubeBeraFan, make sure you guys subscribe and also press the little bell icon. And without further more delay, let's quickly dive straight into this video. Before starting with the actual video, let me just quickly disclose all the coupon codes that's going to save a lot of money. Those who are first time users can go ahead use this coupon code ताकि आपको मिले 250 rupees off on your first purchase worth rupees 1199 and above. You guys could also use this coupon code ताकि आपको 3% off मिले while making an online payment shopping from Clovia. Apart from that, you guys could go ahead get extra discount of 5% using my partner code BANDISH. So what are you guys waiting for? Go grab steal deals on Clovia. I've got a bunch of bras from Clovia and that too on a sale. So I got 3 bras for just rupees 1099. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर आप मेरा पार्टनर कोड भी लगाओगे तो और भी ज़्यादा आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. तो द फर्स्ट ब्रा दैट आई बॉट फ्रॉम क्लोविया इज दिस वन. नाउ दिस इज अ ट्रॉपिकल प्रिंट फुल कवरेज ब्रा. नाउ दिस वन इज padded and it is non-wired. I love wearing non-wired bras, by the way. It is so soft, very comfortable, fits beautifully on my body. And back तो बहुत ही सिंपल सा है, adjustable straps है and I pretty much love the way how it looks on me. This kind of bras are suitable to be worn under t-shirt. Next bra that I have got from Clovia is a must have for every girl. न्यूड ब्राज आर वेरी एसेंशियल ड्यूरिंग समर्स, बिकॉज अगर आप लाइट कलर के कपड़े पहनते हो इनर्स रिवील होने के चांसेस हो सकते हैं, विच इज़ वाई आई थिंक न्यूड ब्राज आर मस्ट फॉर समर्स. अगेन दिस इज अ पैडेड ब्रा, नॉन वायर्ड, गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस कवरेज, fits really good, adjustable straps, has adjustable hooks at the back as well, super comfortable, easy breezy. So in case you're looking for a nude bra, definitely pick this one out. Next bra is again a floral printed bra and has to be my absolute favorite. I mean, look at the print, look at the cups. These are again padded non-wired bras. As you guys know, I love non-wired bras, which is why I thought let's just stock it up. Bras from Clovia's are the best and super affordable, so you guys should definitely check out these bras. Link is in the description box below. Next bra that I've got from Clovia is actually a sports bra and I have wore this in my gym and you guys loved it so much. I think the pattern of this sports bra is very beautiful. It has got this cutout thinking right on my shoulders, which makes it look so beautiful. Apart from that, it has got padded cups inside this one, so those who are heavy chested can throw it off, those who are not heavy chested can stuff it inside. Whichever thing is comfortable with you, go ahead, do that. And right from the back it looks something like this. I would definitely say this bra is not short at all. It has that proper length, so this is appropriate to be worn as an active wear in the gym, and also it is not revealing your cleavage or maybe the armhole, so this is a perfect fit for gym wear. I love this print, actually it gives that 3D illusion if I'm not wrong. I'm really impressed with the quality as well. I'm going to stock more bras from this collection soon. Next bra that I've got from Clovia is similar to the one which I have showed you guys earlier. So it looks something like this. The color combination is very pretty. Again the same cutout thing at the shoulder level, and it has got this cute little opening right at the back. It looks very pretty. I think such kind of sports bra are very breathable and it should be worn by you guys when you have that back day, because it's going to show all your wings. So in case you are looking for such comfortable, affordable sports bra that's not going to reveal much of your body, definitely check this one out. I'm done with sports bra. Now let's move on to the activewear section. So I've got my hands on this beautiful lilac printed t-shirt which says not like the others. I love the fact it has got this turtleneck and it is super loose right from the bottom. It looks so cute on me. I am definitely going to wear this. And you guys know I post a lot of OOTD stories on my Instagram. In case you guys are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead, do that. Now this is 100% blended material. As you guys could see, the material is super soft, very easy breezy. It is appropriate to be worn in summers. Of course, look at the color. It's just cherry on a cake. Also, this one was super affordable. I didn't remember the prices, but you guys could go ahead, click the links right in the description box to check out the prices. Alright, those who guys are a fan of cycling shorts are definitely going to love this one. Now, this color, I'm in love with it, and I have owned a cycling shorts from Clovia in the past as well, which was in grey color. And oh my god, the fit was so good. It was pumping my body parts really well, which is why I love wearing cycling shorts from Clovia. Talking about the material, it is super stretchy, super thick. I love it. I just love it. And it has got this grey color piping thing right here. And it fits my body really well. What would I even ask for? Also, this is knee length cycling shorts. You guys are definitely going to crave more for such cycling shorts after wearing this. Trust me on that. Last thing that I've got from Clovia, I was very excited about the tights, but look at the tights. Do you guys think it's going to fit me? By the way, I've ordered this one in M size, but I don't think so it's going to fit my hand. I don't know why it was so tiny. It is supposed to be a women's wear, not a kids wear tight, but I don't know. I'm very disappointed. Overall, the quality was really good. Look at the size. It's not going to fit me at all. बच्चों का ये कपड़ा लग रहा है, so I am definitely going to return this off. I don't know ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए था. By the way, this was from Clovia's classic collection, which is why I was like very excited कि भाई ऐसा क्या अलग है from their classic collection. But कपड़ा आने के बाद quality अच्छा है, size oh my god disastrous. So I'm not going to recommend you guys to check this one out. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching this Clovia haul. In case you guys want me to make more such hauls, lingerie hauls, maybe of some other, you guys could go ahead, comment down in numbers. I would love to make more such videos for you guys. And thanks for watching. Also, in case you guys face any problems while applying any coupon code or while shopping from Clovia, you guys could go ahead, DM me on my Instagram. My handle goes with my name, Pooja_Bera. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.